Assalamualaikum everyone, this is me Radwan Romy back with another video. So in today's video I'm going to share something related to only Japan. Those who are living in Japan, they can see this video, and also like dreaming to live in Japan in future, they also can see this video. Today's video I'm going to share you about something, and also I'm gonna do an unboxing, detailed information about fitness uh, gym, which is like convenient gym all over Japan. And the gym name is Choco Zap, and like this is a tip. Those who join the gym, they particularly actually receive this tip, and so I'm going to unbox this too, and I will tell about the gym as well. The gym name is Choco Zap, and it is open for 24/7. And there is like the gym has no staff or like unmanned gym, so you will go to the gym, use your like identification and enter the gym and use all the equipments available there. Mostly there's equipment related to cardio and strength equipment, and like also there are several equipment for healthcare and also like fitness care related things. So I have joined that gym recently, and I got that gift, all the registration and all the stuff. You have to do on online. You can continue the gym like on a monthly subscription basis, which is around 3,278 or 87, or like I don't remember right now. So that subscription you can go in any Chocozap branch, like all over to Japan. And I went to Chocozap, and there's a Chocozap branch very near to my home. So I like when I go there, there's lots of equipments, and also there is lots of crowd, and that's actually very convenient also, because you can use any equipment anytime. Also there are some like beauty salon equipments, like fitness equipment. So you can simply just appointment or make a reservation. There are lots of beauty equipment and fitness equipment. You just simply do the reservation like right after reaching that place, and according to your convenient time. So yeah, this gym, which is like very cheap compared to other gym, and also it is like convenient, can because you may be able to find this gym everywhere in Japan. There may be a problem in particular branches, because not all branches have all the facilities. So maybe if you like make subscription near, you must need to check your nearby Choco Japs, which either it has good equipments and facilities or not. So yeah, that's it. So let's that is the thing wanted to share. So yeah, so here is the gift. Let's check what is inside. So this is actually membership gift. So they have like mentioned here that welcome to our members. So they just normally greet their members in English and as well as in Japanese. So there is like a starter book. There may be some guidance related to the like gifts here, and also maybe for the like equipments. Okay, maybe you can see there's lots of Japanese. I cannot read Japanese properly, so there is like a health watch, smart scale, also its battery. So you can see the watch from outside the box. And like I am also using a watch which is like Xiaomi Smart Band 9, which like they have launched recently, and it has like lots of features, and I'm like pretty satisfied with its service. Very convenient to wear and keep wearing it on my hand all the time. This is basically the like similar shape. There is a small manual for it. It comes with a charger, which is like directly can be connected with USB port. So this is like a smart scale, like, where you can able to measure your weight and also you are able to track that weight with your watch and also your phone. It has like Bluetooth facilities. Yeah, they have like there's little display. Those who are living in Japan, I strongly recommend them to like join Chocozap if they have their branch nearby their house. The most of the people in Japan, they used to keep their feet, and also uh, if you keep your body in a good shape, you will able to do more activities and more work in case. Hope this video going to help you those who want to join Chocozap. Thank you.